In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zoho forms. Whether you're looking to analyze your data in more detail or simply share it with your team, exporting your form entries can be a straightforward process when you know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in and make sure you can handle this with ease. First things first, open up your web browser and go to forms.zoho.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Zoho account credentials. This step is essential as it grants you access to all the forms you've created or manage within the platform. Make sure you have the correct login details ready to avoid any hiccups at this stage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, where all your forms are neatly organized. Take a moment to locate the specific form you wish to export. It's important to click directly on the form's title. This will open up the form's detailed view, giving you access to all relevant options linked to that particular form. Now that you have the form details in front of you, direct your attention to the left-hand menu, which organizes various tasks you can perform. Here, look for the section labeled All Entries. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive list of all submitted responses for your chosen form. It's a great way to get an overview of everything that's been collected so far. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of the interface, where you'll spot the very helpful Export button. A simple click on this button is all it takes to move forward in the exporting process. It's designed to be intuitive, so locating it should be straightforward. With the export feature now in play, you'll be presented with three options for how you wish to export your data: CSV, Excel, or PDF. If you're exporting individual responses, PDF might be your go-to choice. However, if you're handling larger data sets or analyzing within spreadsheet software, CSV or Excel might serve you better. Select the format that best suits your requirements. Finally, if you're looking to refine what exactly you export, you have the option to apply filters or handpick specific entries. This is particularly useful if you're only interested in a subset of your data and want to avoid unnecessary clutter. Simply choose the parameters or entries that fit your current needs, ensuring you get exactly what you're after. And that's it. You've just successfully navigated through the steps to export your Zoho form entries. By following these instructions, you should now have your data ready in the format that works best for you. Exporting forms can be a powerful way to utilize the data you've collected, so take advantage of these tools to enhance your workflow.